The VHF radios and the 27 MHz radios are considered short-range marine radios. Both of them, the VHF and the 27 MHz, they are considered short-range communication radio. And the MF and the HF, included the single sideband radios, they are considered medium and long-range communication radios. This is for short distance, this is for short distance, and this is for long distance. Single sideband radios. The single sideband radios, SSB radio, is the long-range radio. In comparison with the VHF radio, this is considered for a short distance. Where marine VHF is limited, because the line of sight, the maximum for the VHF radio is 25 miles. The single sideband radio has the potential to transmit and receive over hundreds or thousands of miles. VHF radio, the most popular radio. The VHF radio, the most popular radio used in marine application. Those radios are available in both fixed mount, like this is fixed on the boat, or portable. The other name for the portable is the handheld models. The antenna of the radio should be in constant direction, in constant focus with the antenna of the station, of the radio station. This is very important in VHF radio. What happened with the line of sight is interrupted, no signal, or erratic signal. Don't forget channel 9 and channel 16 for hailing or calling and other vessels. For example, in Florida, channel 9 is the bridge tender. The channel 9 is used to call the bridge tender, and also the channel 6 is used chip to chip. And immediately you establish the communication with other vessel, you need change to other frequency, for example frequency 60A, in order to keep the channel 6 free with less traffic. What is the idea when you apply this button, the red button, the DSC? The idea is that the Coast Guard identify where is your boat and send help to yours. The only way that the Coast Guard can identify where is you located is with the GPS. For that reason, you need connect your radio properly. The radio should be connected with the antenna of the GPS antenna, and should be connected also with the NEMA backbone. This is my recommendation. Okay, what is mandatory? It's mandatory connect the radio with the GPS. If not, it's impossible. It's impossible track your position. All right. You can connect those colors directly into the computer of the backbone, or into the main screen if you have the possibility. What is the meaning of that? For example, this is the computer of the autopilot, this one. And in this computer, you found the option for connections, NEMA connections. In those terminals should be connected this cable NEMA, positive and negative input and output. This is one way to connect the radio into the backbone. Once again, don't forget, you can connect the radio directly to the backbone. There are new radios that they have the plug in order to connect in any of those ports. Or you can integrate the GPS antenna with the radio directly with this cable, and you do the connection directly, cable by cable, color by color. That's the procedure. The cell phones. Yeah, the cell phones every day are more and more popular. You can use the cell phone, yes, but I recommend keep in your boat a good VHF radio or a good single sideband radio, depending on the type of boat, and use the cellular phone like a complement, but never avoid install the VHF radio. Oh, because I have a good cell phone, I don't need the VHF radio. You need the VHF radio, believe me. And other important consideration, never try to connect the VHF radio, the power, the positive and the negative. Never try to connect this power directly from the backbone, because this equipment require more than 8 amps. How much is the output power of the VHF radio? 25 watts. Oh, 25 watts. What is the formula for power? Power is equal to voltage times intensity. No? Okay. If it's a voltage times intensity, and the voltage is 12 volts, is 25 divided by 12. How much is that? How much is that? Is 2.5 amps. No, it's 2.2, 2.3 amps. This is more than 1 amps. If your equipment require more than 1 amps, you need connect this equipment directly into the DC panel. Directly into the DC panel, never into the backbone. For that reason, avoid connect the VHF radio directly into the backbone, because the length of this radio is more than 20. Is 2.2, 2.3 amps. This radio should be connected directly into the DC panel. Be careful with that.